Hello, good evening everyone. Mayong gabi. This is John Navarre and Holger. We are having dinner tonight. We're having a beer and Filipino dish, black rice, tuna, and okra. Very simple dinner we have here.
Very lekker. Lekker.
Lekker? Oh, I'm glad you like it.
Afrikaans. Lekker.
Is this the first time that
German.
you tried
Lekker.
lekker?
Namik, namik.
Namit namit.
No. What's this?
That's broken egg. That's mine.
Meat.
I'll have that. This is
Is that a
yours.
special egg because it's gooey?
No, it was cracked.
Yeah, but it's done.
Because of the black rice. I put it on top of the rice.
Sorry.
While the rice was cooking, I put the eggs there. That's the shortcut. We use the energy of the rice being cooked and we cook the egg as well together with the rice. So that's how it got its dark color.
And we call it
Egg is itlog. That's itlog.
and it's hot.
It's hot. Init.
Init na init.
While hot may mean hot as in init and also spicy, spicy in Ilonggo is kahang. This one is hot. The egg is hot, but the tuna is hot, spicy. Panyapon is dinner or supper. The root word, I teach you again the root word. It's
very
hapon.
rude.
Why? What's so?
Because she's teaching me the rude words.
The rude words. I'm very.
Or that she means the root words.
Yeah.
Okay. Or the stem. Oh, no, what the roots. Okay. So,
Because panyapon is actually
panyapon is dinner.
dinner. It's actually pani hapon. Pani, it's just the little word that you attach to the main word, which is hapon. Hapon is actually afternoon, so you say maayong hapon, right? Because in the old days, dinner time is right before sunset, so late afternoon. Because if it's dark and there was no electricity, then everybody is already sleeping. So we eat dinner before it gets dark. So pani hapon. So it's every late afternoon. Lunch, on the other hand, is panyaga. For the morning, aga is for maayong aga. And breakfast is pamahaw. Pamahaw. The root word actually is bahaw, which means the rice that was the leftover from yesterday's meal. So the extra rice, those leftover rice, which is called bahaw, is eaten every morning. So it's pamahaw.
Sounds interesting.
And because people wake up very early, as soon as the sun rises, or even before the sun rises, that's daylight saving time for you. Breakfast is ready for the laborers to toil the fields. So we have to eat. That's pamahaw. Lunchtime, paniaga. That's the morning meal. Pamahaw is before dawn, very early in the morning. And that was in the old days. And when people started going to offices, it started at 8 o'clock. So the breakfast time moved forward a bit. So, and when you're full, when you're done eating and you're full, you say, busog na ko. Busog na ako. Or busog na ko. Busog. I'm full.
Almost.
But not yet. We're still eating.
I am. Almost. Busog na. Busog na.
Busog na ko. Oh.
Busog na. Na.
Or you can just say busog. Busog.
How about busog na busog?
Yeah. Busog, busog.
In busog, busog.
Busog, busog.
I thought in Tagalog they're saying busog na busog.
Busog na busog in Tagalog, but the Ilonggos, we don't use na. We just double the word. Reduplicate the word. Busog, busog. Like namit, namit. But the Tagalog use na. Masarap na masarap.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Alam ko.
Alam na alam mo.
Thank you.
But the Ilonggos, they don't use. We have a use for na, but not in this case.
In German we also have na.
Also means
And
the
goes
same
like,
thing.
no, not quite. It goes like, nah, what are you doing?
Nah. Like if you find out something, you
Yeah.
say nah.
Nah.
Sounds like a teasing word. Teasing is sunlog.
Can also be sunlog.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Teasing.
Nadu. Hey you, I don't know. Sunlog. I don't know. But
Tease. Tease, sunlog. No.
remember when you fell into the pond? Nah. Nah, we wouldn't say nah then. We'd say, I don't know.
If you're found out, that's when you say no.
Nah. I don't know. It's hard. It's like almost one of those interjections.
Yeah.
Or modal part in between.
I think you can also use na in Ilonggo, like no. Like,
We
No.
have that. Nah. Nah, that's good stuff.
nah. I don't believe
Excuse
you.
me. Oops. Nah. You don't do that
Yes.
in public. Nah.
Nah.
And here I am.
Nah. 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 That short for ina. Nah. Nah.
I think we
It's like
edit a lot of stuff
a
out.
lot of stuff.
Please.
This is John of Art and Holger here, having our dinner and Ilonggo words for dinner. We are now busog. Until our next video,
Busog.
busog-busog.
Pero, namit na.
Yay!
You have to edit a lot because there's a lot of blah blah blah.
It's not stopping.
Now you
This
got
is
it.
not working.
Stephen